गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। थायराइड थायराइड हम सबको पता है, सबने सुना है और सब डरते हैं। एवरी डे 4 to 5 पेशेंट्स कम टू माई OPD saying that I have thyroid. Will I get a baby? Will it be difficult to conceive? Will I get a miscarriage? Preterm delivery होगी क्या? बच्चे को थायराइड होगा क्या? So all these are the different questions which come to your mind when the word thyroid comes. So thyroid is a gland which is located in the neck region and it releases thyroxine, which is a thyroid hormone. Now there are two types of thyroid issues. One is hypothyroidism, in which the thyroid level decreases, and one is hyperthyroidism, in which the thyroid level increases. Hypothyroidism is the second most common disorder, affecting 2 to 4% of women of reproductive age. So what happens when the thyroid gland is dysfunctioning? You have intolerance to cold, you put on weight, you have irregular periods or amenorrhea, you might have irregular ovulation, and you might have difficulty to conceive. On the male aspect also, if the male has hypothyroidism, there is difficulty and there is motility issue in the sperm, and sometimes the sperm may not be able to fertilize the egg. So having a normal thyroid in the male and the female both is important. Apart from that, in pregnancy, hypothyroidism is very common. So in pregnancy, the thyroid level, TSH level, in which we measure the thyroid level in the body, should be less than 2.5 milli-IU per ml. So what happens if there is untreated hypothyroidism in pregnancy? It leads to delayed development in the baby. It may be leading to more chances of miscarriage, more chances of premature labor, more chances of stillbirth. So it's very important that whenever you plan a baby, you and your husband should both get your thyroid levels checked as a baseline, along with thalassemia, CBC and other blood reports. Thyroid, diabetes, thalassemia, CBC should be checked before you start planning a baby. And once you're pregnant, you keep checking your thyroid levels. If you have hypothyroidism and if you are on thyroxine, you should check your thyroid levels in every trimester and see that they are less than, the TSH is less than 2.5 milli-IU per ml. What about newborn screening? 1 in 4,000 newborns also suffer from congenital hypothyroidism. So I think newborn screening, according to the pediatrician, should be done for all the newborns, and so that we can rule out congenital hypothyroidism and we can give them medication so that their development mentally and physically is perfect. So people don't get scared of thyroid. Thyroid is very common now. We have almost 2 to 4 patients every day coming and they are totally controlled on thyroid, and they can conceive normally and they can have normal babies. Yes, natural ways are selenium and D3 supplements, which you need to take to regulate the thyroid gland in your body. Apart from that, stress management, yoga, meditation, keeping a normal body weight is all important. Sugar free, gluten free diet is also important. Thank you everyone.